Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech insights. Today, we're exploring the power of Microsoft Dynamics 365, a comprehensive suite of intelligent business applications designed to transform your operations. Navigating to dynamics.microsoft.com/en-us opens a gateway to a world of integrated solutions that can revolutionize how you manage your customer relationships, finances, operations, and more. This platform empowers businesses of all sizes to connect with customers on a deeper level, optimize their financial performance, and streamline their core processes for increased efficiency. Dynamics 365 offers a modular approach, allowing you to choose the specific applications that best align with your unique business needs. Whether you're looking to enhance customer service through personalized interactions, gain deeper financial insights through robust analytics, or improve operational efficiency through automated workflows, Dynamics 365 has a solution. The platform's integrated nature allows for seamless data flow between applications, providing a holistic view of your business and enabling better decision-making. Exploring the website reveals a wealth of information, including detailed product descriptions, customer success stories, and valuable resources. You can delve into specific applications like sales, marketing, customer service, finance, operations, commerce, and human resources, discovering how they can individually and collectively contribute to your business growth. The website also offers various learning opportunities, including webinars, training videos, and documentation, to help you maximize the platform's potential. Microsoft emphasizes its commitment to innovation, constantly evolving Dynamics 365 to incorporate the latest technological advancements and meet the ever-changing demands of the modern business landscape. By visiting dynamics.microsoft.com/en-us, you can embark on a journey to discover how Microsoft Dynamics 365 can empower your organization to achieve greater success. The website serves as a crucial starting point for understanding the power and potential of this transformative business solution. So, take the first step towards optimizing your business operations and visit the site today to explore the world of Microsoft Dynamics 365.